Is this the ideal everyday carry day pack for travelers and nomads? It is for me. Watch to find out why I picked this packable day pack for my nomad lifestyle. I'll also give you some tips on selecting the best day pack for your travels. I'm going to be giving an overview today of the LL Bean Stowaway Day Pack. This is not to be confused with Eddie Bauer's Day Pack, also called the Stowaway. This is going to be my everyday carry bag during my nomad lifestyle. And I'm going to open it up and show you some of the reasons why I picked this particular bag. Now, as you can note, it's not the smallest packable day pack on the market, nor is it the lightest. Compressed like this, it is 8 inches by 7 inches, and the bag weighs 14 ounces. It does carry 22 liters, so it's plenty big enough for my 14-inch Acer Swift laptop in a laptop sleeve, plus a bunch of other stuff. So let's get it open, and I'll talk to you about why I made the decisions that I did to take something this heavy and this big with me as my everyday carry bag. This will be my everyday carry bag, as I've said, and it will also be my personal item on airplanes. So I had to keep both of those things in mind when selecting a bag because I'm going to be living on the road. So 135-liter backpack, I've got to make my decisions very wisely. So this one, on the back, it has a breathable mesh panel back here, so it helps kind of reduce some of the sweatiness of your back. It allows a little bit of airflow through here. The straps are also padded. You know, they're not like super padded like my travel backpack is, but this is a packable day pack. But they do have padding, and they have air holes in here in the straps. So that's a really nice feature. Another really nice feature of this bag is that it has a sternum strap. So when you have it on, you have the strap across your chest, and this is adjustable depending on what height is comfortable for you. Okay, and this helps keep the shoulder straps from sliding down like on a shirt like this, slick. These are going to want to fall off unless I've got something heavy in here. So those help with that. They help keep the bag, securely on your back. That was important to me to have a sternum strap. I will be, on some days, carrying my laptop in this bag, and I might be going up and down steps, walking cobblestone streets, or maybe I'm taking stuff and going on a hike and I got a lot of food and it's heavy. Day packs, if you've ever worn one, you know that they tend to kind of flop around on your back some, especially if you got something like a laptop or electronics in it. So I wanted a waist belt, but I didn't want a big bulky waist belt because this is a packable day pack. So this has a nice little small waist belt that on those occasions when I need it, I can whip it out and cinch it around my waist, and the bag will be nice and snug. That was an important feature. I also wanted dual water bottle pockets. So this has dual water bottle pockets. They're big too, and they cinch down. So you can cinch this pretty small. I sometimes carry my little portable umbrella in here, and I mean, you can tighten it down pretty good. So a tripod, anything like that, your walking sticks, if you use walking sticks, trekking poles, that sort of thing. So those were important features to me because I'm going to be using this bag every day. I'm not going on a 3-week vacation and just looking for something really compact and light to throw some things in. This is part of a long-term strategy. The other thing that it has is it has 2 pockets on the outside that zip. This one down here, and it takes up this entire area here. So it's pretty good sized. And then it's got the hooks here where you can hook things on. Then it's got the little pocket up here. It's not very big, but earbuds and things like that can go in here. And it does have a key lanyard. I carry safety pins. If you're going to be traveling long term, you're going to want to grab some safety pins, maybe a clothes pin and a diaper pin and a binder clip. Those are all good things to have if you're long term traveling. The other thing that it has that I really like is this, what I call the kangaroo pouch. I don't know what the technical term is, but this is great for when you go to the beach and you got sand in your towel, or your rain jacket is damp from being rained on and you don't want to put it inside here. This is adjustable with these compression straps. So you can cinch it down real tight or open it back up. And now this does lead me to another point of this bag. Some people find this a deterrent for a bag like this. I find this particular situation an asset. There are going to be times when I'm going to be on crowded trains and, you know, all different sorts of situations, maybe a very crowded street situation, and this is not a anti-theft bag. However, when you have it closed, and I always keep my zippers together in the down position. If they're up here, it makes it real easy on a crowded train or something for somebody to zip that down and stick their hand in there and grab something and go. This way they've got to pull up and around. The thing I like about this bag, and that a lot of people don't like, is that this strap comes across here. So if somebody's trying to do that, look, yeah, they got to do like this, you know, so they're going to have to get their hand down in here and do it. Some people find that irritating to open their bag and have that. I just see it as a bonus. You know, it is not real hard for me to remember to go like this. Not at all. I like that. So, for what that's worth. So, let me open it back up. And then the inside is just 22 liters of storage space and this nice big pocket that it packs back into. So that's the bag, and like I say, this is going to be my personal item for when I'm on planes. So like I said, this bag is part of my travel strategy. I have a 35-liter travel backpack that all my gear will go in. When I arrive at the airport, this will be packed into my backpack, and this will be around my waist with my passport wallet, my hand sanitizer, my Kindle, that kind of stuff that I want easy access to while I'm in the airport. When I get to the airport security line, this comes off very quickly. I take my laptop out of my backpack, put that in the bins. When I'm through and reassembling things, I simply zip open my travel backpack, pull this out real quickly, shove my laptop into it, and then I am pretty much ready to head towards the airline. I put this back around my waist, and I've got my personal item and my fanny pack. Now, some airports will not allow you to wear a fanny pack, carry a personal item, and your carry-on bag, and in which case you just open this up and shove it right down in here, and guess what? You now only have a personal item. Not a big deal. So they fit together as a three-part strategy. See, this one's 14 ounces. This is a Travel-On anti-theft waist pack. I have a video talking about all the features of this. I love this bag. This is a great bag. It fits my Kindle. That was really important. So there you go. Hope that helped you in your decision-making for your own day pack.